In 1971, a dream came true when two brothers from a local town started a humble mechanical workshop. Since that time, the world has completely transformed. Every corner of life is constantly evolving, changing, growing. The transport industry and the need for heavy equipment has grown as well. Today, half a century later, that little operation has grown into a 135-employee powerhouse, Gamache Truck Center. At Gamache Truck Center, we believe hardworking operations deserve a heavy truck solution at a fair price. From pre-owned heavy trucks to durable trailers and equipment, we've had every stage of major projects covered for half a century. We've also sourced high-quality used parts through Gamache, who exports to over 35 countries. And as a family business, who provides full support throughout the buying process, we're here for you every step of the way, just as we've always been. With the largest inventory in North America, we pride ourselves on being the benchmark for used heavy trucks. It's always been that way. And in this, our 50th year, we're recommitting to keep it that way for another 50. Gamache Truck Center, committed to trucks today, tomorrow, and beyond.